We're making simple and delicious cookie recipe. Those milk shortcakes. Those very easy. It turned out super delicious and I hope you will try it. Let's get started. In my saucepan, I added in sugar followed by milk, a pinch of salt. I then stir. You want to lower the gas, stir it until the sugar has dissolved completely. So let it cook slowly until the sugar has dissolved completely. This is what you're looking for. It should be something like this. In a different bowl, I added in butter. I then added in the sugar syrup bit by bit until I've added in all. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So like I said, the sugar, don't add it to it all at once, bit by bit while stirring it until you've added in all before going in with the dry ingredients. Don't forget to add in egg first before going in with the dry ingredients. So mix until everything has come together before going in with the dry ingredient. That's very easy. Few ingredients for this amazing recipe and you will love it. So I added in flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, and then I mix until everything has come together until it has formed a dough. So in case you are not using the vanilla extract, the powdered one, if you are using the liquid one, add it to the wet ingredient before going in with the dry ingredient. So mix until it has formed this consistency and it shouldn't be that sticky. It should be in between. That's what you're looking for. Cover it with a cling film, flatten it a little bit and keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, sprinkle flour on your wet surface and then use a rolling pin to roll it out. The thickness should be around 5 to 6 millimeters. Now use a scone cutter to cut a circle shape, a round shape. So when done, take out the excess and then all you have to do is to arrange it on your baking tray. Now use nozzles to take out the middle and brush the top with honey. You can use jam if you don't have honey, but I use honey. Brush the top with honey. Lastly, sprinkle desiccated coconut on it and you are good to go. That's very easy, so simple, and it was delicious. Bake those bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 10 to 15 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 10 to 15 minutes. And guys, just look at this. When done, all you have to do is to melt chocolate and then drizzle it on top as seen in the video. It's very simple, very easy, and it turned out delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. You can make this thousands of this, wrap it and give it as a gift to your friends or your family, and trust me, you're going to love it. See you till then. Bye bye.